Hey, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. I'm going to discuss what I think makes a really good vehicle preparedness kit. These are things that I carry in my vehicle at all times, and I consider these items essentials. Now, depending on where you live, everybody's kit's probably going to be different, but this is what I like, and this is something that you can think and be like, well, don't really need that, but that's a great idea. I definitely want to add that. So here we go. Good, rugged pair of boots with socks. First aid kit, collapsible shovel, Halo XT, a rain poncho, Patriot power cell, bear spray, fire starting kit with butane lighter, 2 liters of water, water filtration, tape, basic tools, zip ties, hats, gloves, a backup for light, headlamp, hands-free, multi-tool, survival bars, amazing, compact sleeping bag, rope, and jumper cables. So again, these are essentials, all things that you must have or definitely should have in a vehicle preparedness kit. That's your latest 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see my latest survival minutes every time they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.